You open TikTok for a quick break. 30 minutes later, you're still scrolling. Why does that happen? It's not just because the videos are short or funny. It's because your brain is being hijacked. Every time you see something exciting or surprising, your brain releases a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is often called the feel-good chemical, but that's not quite right. It's not really about pleasure, it's about anticipation, desire, craving. Dopamine is what pushes you to check your phone when you hear a notification. It's what makes you say, just one more, even though it's midnight. And TikTok, it's engineered to flood your brain with dopamine again and again. Here's how it works. Every time you swipe, you trigger a small dopamine loop. Because you don't know what's coming next, your brain gets curious. That unpredictability is powerful. It's called variable reward, and it's the same thing that makes gambling addictive. Imagine a slot machine. You pull the lever not knowing if you'll win or lose. Sometimes you win, most times you don't. But the randomness keeps you coming back. TikTok uses the same principle. One video might be boring. The next might make you laugh out loud. The next might blow your mind. Your brain starts chasing the next good hit, like a gambler chasing a jackpot. Now let's talk about speed. TikTok is fast. Every few seconds, you're rewarded. There's no setup, no context, no patience required. Compare that to watching a movie or reading a book. You need to focus. You need to invest time. But TikTok delivers instant gratification, and your brain loves that. It's like comparing fruit to candy. Fruit takes time to chew. Candy melts in your mouth instantly. TikTok is dopamine candy. Now add infinite scroll. There's no bottom. There's no you've reached the end message. It's a non-stop treadmill for your attention. This taps into something called the Zeigarnik effect, your brain's tendency to fixate on unfinished tasks. When there's no clear endpoint, your brain stays engaged longer. You feel like you're almost done, even if that done never comes. And then comes the algorithm. TikTok's algorithm doesn't just learn what you like, it learns how long you watch each video, where you pause, what you rewatch, what you scroll past in under a second. In just a few hours, it can tailor your feed to your exact personality. Love cats and conspiracy theories? Done. Hate dancing but love cooking fails? The algorithm knows, and the more it learns, the better the content gets. Better content means more dopamine. More dopamine means more time spent. More time spent means more data. It's a perfect loop. Watch, reward, learn, personalize, repeat. This is known as positive reinforcement. The same system used to train dogs, but this time, it's training you. Now let's compare this to other apps. Instagram also has a feed. YouTube has recommendations. Facebook has Reels. But TikTok condenses everything. It compresses comedy, drama, education, emotion into tiny snackable bites. No intro, no outro, just impact. It's like espresso shots of entertainment, and your brain starts needing more and more just to stay stimulated. Here's the danger. When your brain is bombarded with dopamine repeatedly, it begins to adapt. It starts producing less dopamine in response. This is called dopamine desensitization. You need more stimulation to feel the same excitement. Over time, regular activities like reading, studying, or even having a conversation start to feel dull. You're not losing focus because you're lazy. You're losing focus because your brain is rewired for novelty, speed, and instant rewards. This is why people report feeling anxious, restless, or bored when they're away from their phones. Your brain craves that next hit, that next surprise, that next scroll. And here's something even more surprising. Even when a TikTok is bad, you don't stop. Why? Because you think, maybe the next one will be better. That's the same psychological trap gamblers fall into. You're not staying for the current reward. You're staying for the hope of the next one. And it's not just about fun videos or trends. TikTok also plays with your self-image. Every time you open the app, you're bombarded with people who are funnier, smarter, better looking, or more successful than you. This can trigger feelings of inadequacy, jealousy, or anxiety, all of which your brain tries to soothe by consuming more content. It's a cycle that feeds itself. So why is TikTok so addictive? Because it's not just content, it's a carefully crafted system built on psychology, neuroscience, and behavior loops. It's designed to hook your brain and hold it for minutes, for hours, for as long as possible. Dopamine, uncertainty, infinite scroll, personalized algorithms, instant reward. Each one is powerful on its own. Together, they're almost irresistible. But remember, if you feel addicted, it's not your fault. It means your brain is working exactly as it was designed to. It's not about weakness, it's about awareness. And now you know how the machine works. If you found this video interesting and you learned without realizing, well, that's the whole point. Make sure to drop a like and consider subscribing. See you in the next one.